Hello, pickleball enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you are passionate about pickleball and looking to upgrade your gear for the upcoming year, you have come to the right place. Today, we are diving into the 5 best pickleball paddles for 2024. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, we have something for everyone. From advanced technology to superior performance, these paddles are designed to elevate your game. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Juciao CJ T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. The paddle is crafted using the latest Thermoformed technology combined with foam-injected walls. This advanced process ensures that the paddle offers superior strength and stability, even during the most aggressive play. The Juciao T700 features an all-carbon encapsulated construction, which is perfect for those intense rallies. Its T700 raw carbon fiber surface is meticulously designed to give you a balance of power, control, and spin. Plus, it boasts a larger sweet spot for enhanced performance. One of the standout features of this paddle is its comfortable grip design. With a 5.6-inch grip length, you will find it perfect for holding with ease and comfort. The grip is sweat-absorbent, non-slip, and highly wear-resistant. Its 4.3-inch grip circumference provides an excellent hold, ensuring that you are always in control. The Juciao T700 is also USAPA approved, meaning it has met rigorous standards and is ready for tournament play and international events. You can check out more details on the USA Pickleball website if you're curious. When it comes to performance, this paddle does not disappoint. The deflection test, which measures the paddle's resilience and quality, shows that the Juciao T700 exceeds expectations. While USAPA tests use 3 measurements, Juciao goes above and beyond with 9 measurements to ensure optimal performance. Inside the box, you will find not only the Juciao T700 pickleball paddle, but also 2 high-quality pickleballs. Everything you need to start playing right away. Number 4. AMASPORT USAPA-approved pickleball paddle. This paddle is designed with a revolutionary 20mm thick honeycomb core, which is the thickest core available in the pickleball industry. This innovative design increases both power and control, and it provides the PP001 with the largest sweet spot of any paddle we have ever launched. Another remarkable feature is the aerodynamic throat. Developed through the AMASPORT Immersion project, this design is optimized to be the most aerodynamic of all paddles currently available. It enhances your swing speed and overall performance on the court. The paddle also features a proprietary omnidirectional microfrost texture coating. This advanced technology generates more spin and creates enhanced friction, resulting in increased ball dwell time and optimal control. The AMASPORT pickleball paddle includes a precision-cut polypropylene core. When paired with its carbon fiber surface, this combination delivers exceptional control and durability. This paddle has been approved by the United States of America Pickleball Association for tournament play. The PP001 model is known for its stable performance, offering a great balance between power and control. The carbon-forged handle enhances stability, giving you a reliable feel during play. One of the most exciting features is the Aeron Dura Edge edgeless technology. This is composed of a specialty blend of impact-resistant composites and polymers, which not only increases the paddle's aerodynamics, but also its durability. The AMASPORT USAPA-approved pickleball paddle boasts a 20mm thick core, an aerodynamic throat, a microfrost texture coating, and innovative edge technology. It provides the ultimate blend of power, control, and spin. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, this paddle is designed to elevate your game to new heights. Number 3. Insom T1000 Pickleball Paddle. The Insom T1000 is constructed with T1000 carbon fiber, renowned for its ultimate durability. This material not only ensures a lightweight design, but also delivers a highly responsive performance, perfect for players who demand both power and precision. One of the standout features of the Insom T1000 is its charged surface technology. This innovative feature enhances energy return, allowing you to effortlessly deliver powerful shots with ease. The paddle's design includes a large sweet spot, which maximizes your chances of hitting that perfect shot every time. Another key aspect is the Thermoformed 2.0 technology. The Insom T1000 offers a large sweet spot and a precise one-piece design. The paddle is hot-melted once without any post-connection, making it a true unibody paddle. This construction not only unleashes your power and spin with confidence, but also ensures a consistent feel. The paddle measures 16.5 inches in length and 7.5 inches in width, with a grip length of 5.5 inches and a weight of 8.0 ounces. These dimensions are designed for optimal maneuverability and control. The extended grip length ensures a comfortable and secure hold, allowing you to focus on your game. Number 2. Thermoformed Pro 3K Twill Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. This paddle features a 3K Twil carbon fiber surface, known for its exceptional durability and strength. The paddle's graphite-textured surface ensures enhanced control and a solid feel, making it perfect for precise shots. The paddle measures 403.0 millimeters in length and 198.0 millimeters in width. With an inner core thickness of 20 millimeters, this paddle offers a substantial feel and excellent power return. The inner core is made of polypropylene, known for its durability and impact resistance. The Thermoformed Pro features a handle length of 125.0 millimeters and a handle circumference of 108.0 millimeters, providing a comfortable and secure grip for players of all hand sizes. The weight of the paddle is approximately 235 grams, with a tolerance of plus or minus 5 grams, offering a well-balanced feel. This paddle utilizes particle spray paint technology on its surface, which enhances its appearance and provides a smooth texture for consistent performance. The hot press shot thermoforming process ensures that the paddle maintains its shape and structural integrity over time. The Thermoformed Pro 3K Twill carbon fiber pickleball paddle offers a combination of durability, power, and precision. Its 3K Twill carbon fiber surface, 20mm inner core, and advanced surface technology make it an outstanding choice for players who are serious about their game. Number 1. Arronax Customized Pickleball Paddles. This paddle comes in the model AR16 and utilizes a thermoforming process for its construction. It measures 415 millimeters in length, or 16.33 inches, and 189 millimeters in width, or 7.44 inches, providing a well-balanced and versatile design. With an inner core thickness of 16 millimeters, or 0.63 inches, the paddle offers a solid feel and excellent durability. The handle length is 125 millimeters, or 4.92 inches, and the handle circumference is 108 millimeters, or 4.25 inches, ensuring a comfortable grip for players of various hand sizes. The Arronax paddle features a polypropylene honeycomb core, which enhances both power and control. Its rough carbon fiber surface provides excellent friction, allowing for superior ball control and spin. The surface technology includes a carbon friction surface, which is designed to improve grip and handling. This paddle is perfect for beginners who are looking to develop their skills, as well as advanced players who demand high performance. The customization options allow you to tailor the paddle to your preferences, making it a versatile choice for any level of play. The Arronax Customized Pickleball Paddle also offers a range of customization options. Choose from different surface materials such as carbon fiber, fiberglass, or Kevlar, and select your preferred color to make the paddle truly your own. To summarize, the Arronax Customized Pickleball Paddle offers a combination of durability, power, and customization. With its polypropylene honeycomb core, rough carbon fiber surface, and customizable features, this paddle is designed to enhance your game and suit your personal style. And that wraps up our review of the 5 best pickleball paddles for 2024. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect paddle to take your game to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, And until next time, keep playing and stay awesome.